Hey everyone, my name is Christian. I'm the co-owner of NexusFlow Integration. So in this video specifically, I'm going to be talking about websites and how we are able to build an online presence for our clients and what we've been able to actually do for them results-wise. So we're going to talk about how we help local businesses get found online. Real quick, I want to go over some stats before we go into it. So 73% of small businesses have a website. So you really should be thinking, like, if you're part of the 27%, why do you think that 73% have a website? I'm going to show you why. Another stat I want to point out is 15 to 50% revenue increase for small businesses when they have a website. And I'll be going over how that's possible. So some featured projects real quick. I'm going to scroll through these. What I'm going to be focusing on in this video specifically is the rock construction and Jay's painting Christmas. So here you could kind of pause and read. These are case studies of some of the websites that we have done and what we were able to offer them, what they wanted, how we were able to do it. And then over here, our website packages, we do of course have an e-commerce and a custom. So for example, this has 5 pages, 10 pages, 20 pages. I'm actually working on a site currently that has 9 pages. So I asked, do you want just the core website, which is the essentials, or do you want the website plus some other things like a number, an all-in-one app where you can call, text, email, send invoices, estimates, store all of your contacts, get a QR code, images made, Google business profile optimization, new business number. And of course, there's even more on this, but they just wanted the essentials. So we did 5 pages and then added 4 more pages. So that's kind of our packages here. Let's dive into the results. So starting off with the rock construction. The rock construction, they wanted a completely changed name for their business, basically rebrand them. They didn't have a logo. They didn't even have a Google business profile. So what we did was we made them a Google business profile. We linked everything. We made a description. We optimized the Google business profile. Then you can see here just from this is what the clients would see, this is what customers would see when they search you up. So here you have this little icon here. It might not mean much, but most web design agencies don't even do this like this. So you see, just compared from this to this, which one looks more trustworthy? In my opinion, the one with the logo. This kind of looks more like a scam, like a spam type of website. So this is standard in all of our web designs. We optimize how you look to customers. See the headline, description, everything like that. And then we click on the site and you can see the logo, super easy to contact, get in touch, everything like that, build trust, how it works. And something that we love to do for service businesses is show before and after, because it really shows what you were able to take and what you were able to do with your skills. Like look at these, create images, everything like that. I want to go over into Google Search Console. This is what is on the back end. So this is what we look at to see how your site is doing and what we need to work on to optimize it. So this is the basic, again, this is the basic report that comes with all of the website plans. We do have an add-on where you can get ongoing SEO optimization. So if something is trending, you'll be with the trending searches. If in 2 months this is trending, we'll change your website and optimize it to be trending with whatever people are searching up. That is an additional add-on that you can get. This one specifically, they didn't get that. But you can see here, 6 months. Look at the average position. Okay, so 6 months ago, 3 months ago, 28 days ago, and so on and so forth, right? So we're getting closer and closer and closer to the top of Google. Same thing here with, this is Jay's painting and Christmas. Okay, so again, 6 months, average position, again and again, right? So what we are able to do is get you higher and higher on Google. So you build an online presence. You're not invisible to people and potential clients. And that's why we build trust and credibility for your brand and for people that find you online. And then basically we make it super easy to convert, get in touch with you, call, text, email, fill out a form, whatever is comfortable for them. And then that's where you take over and close them. So that's why having a website, that's why 73% of businesses have a website, and how we can increase 15 to 50%.